These beautiful winter days make many of us want to go outside and play in our gardens. However, there are not very many things we can do to get ready for spring to come, with one really pretty neat exception. And that would be take a look at what set seed in your landscape and then figure out, especially if you are a little bit new to the gardening world, whether what set seed is going to produce all sorts of unwanted seedlings. Some examples that I'm going to talk about are euonymus, winter creeper euonymus, which is fabulous, enjoyed by the birds, goes vertical, puts on these beautiful seeds that look a little bit like seeds of bittersweet, and the birds absolutely relish them. Another is, of course, the juniper or the cedar. Many of our cedars are really becoming a problem in the landscape, and that does include in areas that are actually urban parts of the state. Then we get into some of the perennials and the grasses, some of the ornamental alliums like this one, which happens to be garlic chives. You can actually see some of the seeds still remaining in the heads of these particular plants, which means that in this landscape, that homeowner is going to have to look for all of those little onion seedlings coming up all over everything. Then we have some of the grasses, which can be absolutely gorgeous and deadly in terms of seedling production. This is northern sea oats. What looks like a single seed and all of those little dangling seed heads is actually many seeds. They will also come up in profusion all over the landscape in the spring. And of course we have plants like asters, which the fluff turns into seeds, seedlings turn into plants. So what this really is a cautionary note to say, look at what you've got that is beautiful in seed, take those seed heads off even now if you want to, but certainly if you don't want seedlings of many of your beautiful winter plants in your landscape for the coming season, think about that. Get rid of those seeds earlier next fall, or pay attention early in the spring to what is coming up in your landscape.